Welcome back. Odyssey 2012, the biggest intercollegiate business management festival, will kick off from 27 to 29 September. The BBA students of Saraswat College will be hosting the event at ESG. This year, the theme is To Be the Champions. The event will focus upon qualities of a champ like speed, self-discipline, power, focus, intensity, and perseverance.
Odyssey 2012 is back in its form. This is the ninth year of its event. Every year, different colleges across India participate in this event and compete for a trophy. With 6 qualities in a champion, the event will select the best marketing team, human resource team, finance team, quiz team, and the best manager.
Odyssey is Goa's biggest management fest. It is being organized in ESG from 27th to 29th of September this month. Now, Odyssey, unlike other events, is a management event. Okay, so we have a lot of teams from different parts of India coming here to participate and win the overall trophy.
This is then the platform for the students to participate and actively and show the talents. It is also the opportunity for our government students to know their talents and compare their talents with the national level team.
Shushant Pearl for Prudent.
Now, news from sports. Kajal Verenkar and Tanvi Vargaonkar did Goa proud at the recent Interzone Nationals. Kajal won a silver in javelin throw and a bronze in shot put, while Tanvi managed a silver in the triathlon event. A notable fact is that both Kajal and Tanvi's performance at the West Zone was better than at the Interzone Nationals. But the duo are now gearing up to better their performances as they have set their sights on the upcoming national tournaments. Tanvi and Kajal are also working hard to make the cut for the Lusophonia Games.
Tanvi and Kajal shared their experience of the 3-day nationals at Pune.
The stadium over there was excellent, synthetic ground, the long jump pit was good, sector was good, and the sports complex where we stayed, it was really good, clean, the bathrooms were really well, and everything else was good.
It was good for me. Synthetic ground is like main, so it was good for me. Long jump pit, better, and the shot put sector was also good.
Tell us about a little bit about how it is to train on grass or hard ground here, and then when you all play at synthetic tracks there or run on synthetic tracks.
There's a lot of difference when you practice on a synthetic ground and the grass ground, because there are like all stones over there on the grass, and synthetic is like plain. But West Zone and Interzonal, it was in Pune only, so the same ground we had. Actually, it's better if you practice on a synthetic ground.
But performance went down instead of bettering at the nationals.
My performance this time was not so well. For West Zone, my shot put, I did 11.25 meters, and now for Interzonal, I did 10.96, so it came down. Javelin also same. For West Zone, I did 33.24, and now I did 29.68.
It's coming down instead of going up. You feel you could have trained harder?
Yeah, I could have trained more harder, but there wasn't much time. Soon after West Zone, only 1 month, and then Interzonal. So if there was more time, then I could have.
What about you? What were your timings and performances there?
My timing went down, and my points were really bad because for West Zone I did good. My points were more than Interzone, so I was not happy with my performance. Actually, I wanted to jump more than 5. But I jumped 485. This time for Interzone, my points were like 1,627, and for West Zone it was 1,639 something.
Now we'll be having junior nationals in October, then November in the beginning we have district, inter-district nationals, and then again we have school nationals. So again training start for those nationals.
And you all are being looked at as the national medal, the national games and Lusophonia games prospects as well now after these performances. You all feel this added burden, added pressure can make you all deliver better?
For junior nationals, I'll do my practice, I'll work hard so that I can get a gold medal. Lusophonia games, I'll see if my performance will improve. Then I'll see to participate in Lusophonia games.
If I improve more, then Lusophonia, sure. Right?
You had said to us that if you get a gold at these interzonal nationals, then nationals and international will definitely, you have the confidence to perform there. Is that a dream still intact?
Yeah, actually for javelin, I was getting a gold, but then my only one throw went properly. Others were all flat because of the breeze, there are different javelins. What I practice with is the different one, completely different. Over there is the different one. For West Zone also we got some other type of javelin. So if I get all the multi-javelins, then I will surely do better.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Ferrari.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.
Devrai Furnitures presents the widest range of sofas. Rubber wood, marble wood, and teakwood carving royal sofas. Five, 7, and 9 seaters. Corner sofas with full upholstery and fabrics of your choice. Devrai Furnitures, the exclusive sofa gallery at first floor, Devrai Building, Ake, Margao.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh. Happy birthday to you.
Go ahead, celebrate with Monjani's